Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to contact a host on the Turo app. Now if you want to contact a host on the Turo app but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. So to contact the host on the Turo app, you just need to open the Turo app on your device. So make sure that you have installed the app and make sure that you are also logged into your account. So as you can see, this is the home page of the Turo app, where you'll see various options on the bottom taskbar as well as the upper taskbar. And for those of you wondering where is the trips option, you will see at the very bottom of the screen. So you just need to go on the trip section and you need to select the trip for which you want to contact the host. So I have no upcoming trips yet, so if you see the upcoming trips or your trip has already started, you will see the number of trips over here. So you just need to scroll down until you see the host details section. So you just need to scroll down and you will find the host names, and there you will see the option of message. So you just need to tap on the message host option and send a message directly to the host, and you may ask them about the details and also the question which you have, and you may simply talk with the host like this. So by doing all of it, you will be able to contact the host on the Turo app. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.